I found a Hello Neighbor game, but it's on the blocks. To be honest, I've never played Hello Neighbor, and yeah, let's get right into it. Why is the card going that way? Okay, anyway. Open door. No, this is our house, okay. Our house looks tiny compared to this house. Wait, where is he? Wait, where's the neighbor at? Oh, no. Go. I don't know where I'm going. Is he in the back? Give me this chair. Give me the chair. Okay, well. Can we... can we pick up chairs? No. Okay. Can we pick up you? No. Can we pick up a box? Probably not. Wait, what's in here? Shut the door. Teddy bear fire key. What? What did that just do? Okay. Oh, we got something. Okay, I don't know what we got, but so Teddy fire key. So do we have to take the teddy, put it in the fire? Is the neighbor out here? I don't know. I don't like how tiny this one is. Especially when we can't loot anything. Am I stuck? No. Oh, he's there. Okay, I can't open that somehow. We need a key. Okay. Oh, you come with me. Go, 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 go. Oh! Don't see me. Oh, I did not like that. Okay. So, do we have to ban you? What? Where's my key at? Hello? Excuse me. So, what? Oh, I got a key. Oh. Go, 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 go. Okay. So what is this key meant for? Anyone know? Okay, the key must be for inside. Is it meant for you? No, it's not. Give me the key. Okay. Oh, hi. Nah. Oh. Ooh. Okay, we gotta go. Wait, is he gonna come back? Look. Yeah, he is. Okay. I wanna wait until he goes behind the back, at least. He just went in, has he? I think he just went back in. What? We're gonna go for it. Why not? I think he never comes upstairs. We need a red key. No keys. Okay. I don't have a key. Oh, wait. Okay. Give me my key back. There's like an angle, you have to pick it up. Have I just glitched the key? Give me this box. Can I unglitch the key? Wait, you coming up here? I got the key. So what's the key meant for? 1364. Okay, you know what? Wait, can we not put the key away? What is this? A fish. I feel like the fish might be important, but I don't know what to... Oh, wait. 1364. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, now I need to go back. 1. Oh, I don't like this. Yeah, but how can I... Okay, you know, I'm gonna chuck you all away. I don't care. What happens when I be coached and I do it? No, it's not gonna work because... Okay, well, we know the unless that's not the password to that thing, but it could be. Right. He said something back in the house. He did get me 2 times. Don't turn around. I'm scared to get turned on. Yeah. Oh. No! Where? I do want to get back in the house. But he's upstairs, so we gotta wait, man. Oh, he just came back down. We go outside. Good neighbor. Okay, good. Okay, so it's 3. And then it's 6. But why? Oh, what number is it after that? 4. Oh. I'm scared he's gonna come back out. Yeah, it's not working. One. Yeah, he's coming back up. He's coming back up. Okay, you know what? This is going to end it. I do enjoy this game. I'll definitely come back to it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one, Andy. Yeah, bye bye.